Do you have a lupin plant in your garden and you wish you had more? Well, let me show you the easiest way to get more lupins. So it's autumn, we're into October. The first frost is only a week away and we're doing a garden tidy up. Now this here is a lupin plant. And as you can see, these are all the stems, the flower stems off that plant. Let me turn this around. So normally you would cut these down because these will die anyways and the plant will survive through the winter. But sometimes on these flower stems we have these. And if you can see, this is actually dead. But what we have here is the possibility of a new plant, and these are so easy to propagate. We get the plant this, and this is really easy to do. You pull this down. You don't want to use a secateurs. We pull this down. We pull that heel, it's called a heel, and we pull it off. Pull off any excess leaves, because the less leaves we have, the more chance of survival, because it's asking for less water. So what I'll do, I'll look for the outermost leaves, and I'll only maybe leave one leaf on. I'll leave two on, like this. Let's just leave one on actually. But you have to be careful not to break that middle bit, because that's the plant. I have some soil here, and we just push this just under the surface. And really firm it in well. That's the most important bit, and we leave this damp over winter, and I'm leaving these in the greenhouse. Here we go, and that will grow into a plant. It is that easy. And here, these were done 3 weeks ago, and these are all growing new leaves, which means they are healthy and happy. Happy gardening!